Here are some of the reasons why I got these rear LED taillights for my BMW 3 Series. My original taillights had burned out, and I wanted to update it with a fresh, sleek, new design using LED technology. Currently showing the LED amber blinkers. Here's a sleek design from the side, which is designed to match the body's contour. Here's a demonstration with the brake light pedal press on and off, and also the rear reverse backup light. Let's have a quick look right out of the box. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. I also want to point out, which is the trunk light. It's actually connected by the wiring harness that's actually in the car, so it plugs right in. Note, the rear reversing light is actually a halogen bulb, but the rest is actually LED. Next, I'll go over the wiring harness on how it's connected and what else it functions. Two wiring harnesses, one for the left side and one for the right side. This is actually the relay for your turn signal. So it actually changes the speed of your turn signal to be normal. So with it being disconnected, what happens is the turn signal will be at a faster pace. This is LED. The wiring harness that connects to the car is this big part. The smaller one actually connects to the actual back of the taillight unit back here, and it comes with a gasket too, so it's nice to keep the rain out and moisture. Right here, so that connector next to the rear of that taillight. This entire kit simply just bolt on and plug right in. Here we're looking at it up close and in detail. All gaskets are included and include some hardware. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.